Hi children, welcome back my little ones. So children, can I ask some questions? Okay. Children, do you like pets? Do you have pets at home? What is your pet? And how do you take care of your pet? Now, today we can see how a child take care of her grandma's puppy. Okay, for that you just take your worksheet, take page number 173. Okay, it's a simple poem. Okay, and what is the name of the poem, children? Grandma's Puppy. Okay, so just look at your worksheet, children. Grandma's Puppy. I take care of the puppy with my grandma. I means this girl. Okay, I take care of the puppy with my grandma. Grandma means what? Grandmother. Okay, so the child take care of the puppy with grandma. Grandma shows me how to care for the puppy. So she is telling that grandma shows me how to take care of the puppy. I put water in a dish and food in a pan. Okay, so what the girl done? The girl put the water in a dish. Dish means the shallow flat water container. Okay, she put the water in a dish and food in a pan. The puppy likes the dog food. Okay, the puppy likes dog's food. The puppy plays with me inside and outside the house. The puppy means what? The young one of dog we call it as puppy. Okay, the puppy play with me inside and outside the house. He runs to look for the big ball. Okay, the puppy likes to play the big ball, so he runs to look for the big ball. After play, the puppy and I take a nap. Nap means short sleep especially during the daytime. That is nap. The short sleep. It's not a deep sleep. It's a short sleep, especially during the daytime. You got it, children? Okay, I'll read one more time. Okay, grandma's puppy. Okay, I take care of the puppy with my grandma. With my grandma, the child take care of the puppy. Grandma shows me how to care for the puppy. I put water in a dish and food in a pan. The girl put the water in a dish and food in a pan. The puppy likes the dog food. The puppy likes the dog food. The puppy plays with me inside and outside the house. He runs to look for the big ball. Okay, the dog runs to look for the big ball. After play, the puppy and I take a nap. So after play, the girl and the puppy take a nap. Okay, children, you have to repeat after me. Okay, did you understand the poem? It's a very simple poem, isn't it? It's a poem about what? Grandma's puppy. I look at the picture, you can see grandma. Grandma means grandmother, then puppy and a girl. Okay, and then what is the name of the poem? Grandma's puppy. Okay, just repeat after me. I take care of the puppy with my grandma. Grandma shows me how to care for the puppy. I put water in a dish and food in a pan. The puppy likes the dog food. The puppy plays with me inside and outside the house. He runs to look for the big ball. After play, the puppy and I take a nap. You got it? Okay, children, you have to learn this poem. Okay, now shall we read one more time? Repeat after me. Grandma's puppy. I take care of the puppy with my grandma. Grandma grandma shows me how to care for the puppy. I put water in a dish and food in a pan. The puppy likes the dog food. The puppy plays with me inside and outside the house. He runs to look for the big ball. After play, the puppy and I take a nap. Now next, we can do the exercise in this poem. Okay, you just take page number 174. Okay, the first one is what? Write the compound words. Have you ever heard this word compound words? I'll tell you. Compound words means two or more words joined together to create a new word. Got it? Compound words means two or more words joined together to create a new word, that is compound word. Example, sun plus flower gives sunflower. Okay, sun is one word and the flower is another word. It's joined together to get a new word, that is sunflower. Okay, then next example, rain plus bow. Rain is first word and the bow is second word. So rain plus bow gives rainbow. We create a new word, that is rainbow. You got it? That is compound word. Okay. So from this lesson, we can write some compound words. Okay. So listen here. The three questions already given. Okay. What is the first one given? Gran plus ma. So gran plus ma gives you grandma. Is very good, children. Just write, children. Write along with me. Grandma. G R A N D M A, grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma. The next one, in plus side gives you inside. In plus side gives you inside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Okay. The third one, out plus side give you outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Out plus side gives you outside. Okay. First one is what? Grand plus ma give you grandma. In plus side, inside. Out plus side, outside. Okay. Next one is frame sentences from the following words. Okay. Here three words are given. We have to frame sentences. Okay. And what is the first one given? The first one is water. Okay. Now shall we write, children? Okay. Water. First one is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Water is I-S is very, B-E-R-Y. Water is very good for health. Good. G-O-O-D. Good for. F-O-R. For health. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. And put the full stop. The first one is what? Water is very good for health. And the second one we can write, we must drink lots of water. Okay, children, you have to drink lots of water. Okay, just write we. W-E. We must. M-U-S-T. We must drink. D-R-I-N-K. We must drink lots of water. L-O-T-S. Lots. O-F. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water, and put the full stop. Okay. We have written 2 sentences about water. What is the first one? Water is very good for health. We must drink lots of water is the second sentence. Okay. Now what is the second word given? This puppy. Okay, now shall we write? Okay. First one is I have H-A-V-E. I have a brown puppy. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. I have a brown puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy, put the full stop. What is the first sentence? I have a brown puppy. And the second one, I love my puppy. I love. L-O-V-E. I love my. M-Y. I love my puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy, put the full stop. Okay. Puppy. How will you write the sentence? I have a brown puppy. The second one, I love my puppy. Okay, you can write a sentence using the word nap. Dad is taking a nap. You just write dad. D-A-D. Dad is. I-S is. Taking. T-A-K-I-N-G. Taking. Dad is taking a nap. N-A-P. N-A-P. Put the full stop. Dad is taking a nap. The second sentence, I like to take a nap in the noon. I like. L-I-K-E. I like to. T-O-2. To take. T-A-K-E. I like to take a nap. A nap. N-A-P. Nap in the noon. I-N. In. T-H-E. The noon. N-O-O-N. Noon. Okay. Dad is taking a nap. I like to take a nap in the noon. Okay, we can read one more time. Write the compound words. Okay. Grand plus ma, grandma. In plus side, inside. Out plus side, outside. Okay, frame sentences for the following words. The first one is water. Water is very good for health. And the second sentence, we must drink lots of water. Next word is puppy. I have a brown puppy. I love my puppy. The third word is nap. Dad is taking a nap. I like to take a nap in the noon. So children, that's for today. What you have to do is what, children? You have to read the poem and learn it. Okay. And then page number 174, you can see the compound words. Okay. If you get any free time, you just try to write more compound words. Okay. You can write in your notebook. Okay. If you get free time, okay. If you are free, you can do it. It's not compulsory. If you are free, you can do it. Okay. Try to write more compound words. And then you have to learn this compound words and then study these sentences using the words. Okay. And see you in the next class. Bye.